In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Capcut videos to TikTok. By the end, you'll confidently take a video you edited in Capcut and get it live on TikTok without any hiccups. First, open Capcut on your computer or the web. Give it a second to load your workspace. If you don't see your projects right away, check the correct tab or workspace where you usually save drafts. We're using Capcut to handle the editing and export, so everything starts here. Next, open the project you want to publish. Make sure your timeline is clean, no unwanted gaps, and your audio isn't peeking into the red. If you're aiming for TikTok, vertical 9:16 looks best. If your edit is horizontal, consider reframing clips or using Capcut's crop tools so it fills a phone screen nicely. When you're happy with the edit, click Export. This is where quality settings matter. For TikTok, 1080p resolution is a solid choice, and 30 frames per second is standard, though 60 FPS can look smoother if your footage supports it. Set the bitrate to high for crisp visuals, and keep the audio at 48 kHz for clean sound. Give your file a clear name and note where it's being saved. You'll need to find it quickly in the next step. Start the export and let it finish completely before moving on. Now head over to TikTok on your browser or open the app if that's where you prefer to upload. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your internet connection is stable to avoid any failed uploads. Click Upload. On desktop, you'll see an upload page. On mobile, you'll be prompted to pick a file from your gallery. Navigate to the video you just exported from Capcut and select it. TikTok will begin processing a preview. Finally, choose your posting options. Add a concise caption, relevant hashtags, and a cover thumbnail that clearly shows what your video is about. Check that sound plays correctly, and the video fills the frame without black bars. Set your visibility to public, friends, or private depending on your needs, and adjust comments, duet, or stitch options as you prefer. When everything looks good, hit Post. Let the upload complete fully. Don't close the window or app until you see it published. If you run into quality issues, re-export from Capcut at a higher bitrate. If the framing looks off, switch the aspect ratio to 9:16 in your project and export again. And if the file is too large, consider a slightly lower bitrate while keeping 1080p. That's it. Your Capcut video is now on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy posting.